Oh, thank you very much, mate. Oh, look at the size of that. Thank you. Thank you very much, mate. Oh, mate, alright. £5 for English. So we've came to Speedy's now, and you can see the sign right outside. Full English breakfast, £2.99. Officially the cheapest in Marmaris and Icmeler. So what time do you open?
8 o'clock this open.
Yeah.
2 o'clock this finish.
2 o'clock breakfast finish.
Yeah. 2 o'clock this finish.
Listen, I remember having a breakfast tea before, and I think it was last year, and it was still £2.99, which is dirt cheap, especially with all the prices that have gone up. But these have kept the full English breakfast at £2.99, which is a credit to them, because there can't be much profit on it. They've kept the FE's beers at 100 lira, which is about £2.50, or with a new exchange rate, just under £2.50. Oh, thank you very much, mates. Enjoy. That breakfast there is ridiculous for £2.99 in Marmaris at Speedy's. Look at that.
Enjoy.
Gazelle, beautiful. Look at that. £2.99, 1 bacon, 1 sausage, 2 bread, 2 eggs, mushrooms, tomato, beans, and a side of butter. Look at that, £2.99, that is an absolute steal. Listen, that was absolutely spot on. £2.99, the cheapest about. And I'll definitely be back at that price. And just after leaving Speedy's there, Speedy's restaurant, Club Atrium just there, and across the road, Club Sun Smile, just in case you know where that is. Then next to that, you've got Wetherspoons, spelt differently to the UK Wetherspoons. W-E-A, as in the real weather. Not like our Wetherspoons, which is W-E-T-H. Is it the same price as the Wetherspoons UK? What have we got there? Chef's Place as well. Yeah, there's some places I've just never been to. I've done Wetherspoons before, never been to Chef's Place, but it is nice to get around some different places every time. It's also hard to visit everywhere. I get messages, why haven't you been here, why haven't you been here? I always go to my favourite places, like anyone does on holiday, and I always try to get around as many new places as I can. But if you've got any recommendations, just pop them in the comments here on YouTube. Another day, and it is crazy hot in Icmeler, so we've just been to see Tony Macaroni over there. Charged our scooter for us last night, which is right here. But now we're going to go and find Majestic, which was a £3 full English breakfast and a £4 full Scottish. So it's still the cheapest full Scottish breakfast that I've found. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to have a full Scottish. Rochelle will have a English, Scottish. And Ted is just a little bit hot for him at the minute. So remember, if you are bringing kids at this time of year, August, it's their peak time for sun, so be careful. Full English breakfast here, £5. Good morning, mate.
£5, the best one.
You alright?
You can park here, you remember me?
I remember, mate. I remember.
Hello, brothers. We have also kids area.
Oh, sorry, hi.
Yes,
kids area, bamboo, all day breakfast,
yes.
£5.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Best one.
Thank you, mate.
Joe Pasquale here.
We'll get there this week, mate. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I pass you my card if you don't mind?
I'll come this week.
Okay,
thank you. Then we've got Canal Bistro de Thea. Again, full English breakfast, £5 on here. So £5 now, pretty standard for a full English. And this is officially the cheapest full Scottish breakfast in Marmaris and Icmeler. Good morning, mate. £3 for a full English, £4 for a full Scottish. You'll do for me. Chinese specials. Little play area for the kids. I can imagine that plastic is going to burn his ass. But look at the views where we are. You've got another one over there. Venice restaurant, full English £5, full Scottish £6. That's at Venice. But we're going to Majestic. Cheapest one. Morning, you alright? Right, this is Majestic restaurant in Icmeler, where you can still get a full English breakfast for £3, a full Scottish breakfast for £4, And all the kids' meals are £4 as well. Look at that, belly dancing, robot show, fire show. And that's just tonight. Tina Turner, Freddie Mercury and Full Monty. Lunch menu, doner kebab, chicken or lamb with salad and chips. £4.50, look at that. Wow, thank you very much, mate. Sowell.
Enjoy your dinner.
So there we have it, a full English breakfast for £3, full Scottish for £4. And this is the cheapest full Scottish breakfast in Marmaris and Icmeler. But let's dig in to the full Scottish tastiest, square sausage. I do like the square sausage, and it's still surprising to see a square sausage and a regular sausage on the same plate. I'm eating like an absolute animal because I want you lot to see it all before it gets cold. That bacon looks nice and thick, good bit of fat on there. Oh, fair play to them. They've nailed the breakfast. £3, £4 of Scottish. If I had to choose between the two, I would go with the Scottish, I'll be honest. I like the extra bits. It's a little bit bigger than in English. £3 for Rochelle's, £4 for mine. Let us know what you think. Spot on that. No qualms whatsoever. Doesn't go for chocolate cake.
Yeah, it's going much better.
Doesn't? I've come down for a ice cold Effie's. Marmaris is very, very hot at the minute. But we know where we're going for breakfast this morning. We're heading straight there because Speedy's, even though it's still cheap, it's actually gone up £1 from £2.99 when we went the other day. That breakfast there is ridiculous. For £2.99 in Marmaris at Speedy's, it's now £3.99. The sign's changed, increased it by £1, which is 44 lira at the minute. So when I told everyone on Facebook, Speedy's breakfast, they went there and they said it's £3.99, not £2.99. I know it's not a huge increase, but it's gone from the cheapest to not the cheapest breakfast. But luckily we found Dian Sisters on the beachfront, which is still £2.99. We class it as £3. English breakfast, £2.99. Bacon, sausage, tomato, mushrooms, 2 eggs, 2 toast, Heinz beans, HB sauce if you want it, honey, jam and butter, and a hash brown. Is the hash brown really on it? If it is, then it's also the biggest at £3. Right, this is the £3 breakfast at Dian Sisters on Marmaris beachfront. Oh, look at the size of that. Thank you. 2 toast, 2 eggs, 1 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 sausage, homemade hash brown, tomato, beans and mushrooms. Surely this has to be the cheapest but also the biggest one for the price. The fact you've got 2 sausages on the plate, the fact you've got a hash brown, 2 toast, 2 eggs with beans, mushrooms, butter on the side for the toast. Now that for me is absolutely banging. And for £3, you know, Ted usually would have eggs on toast, but for £3 you might as well get him a full English breakfast and let him just pick at the rest whatever he wants, and if there's any left I'll smash it in. I've already started eating the breakfast, but for £3 you're not going to find cheaper breakfasts out here now than Dian Sisters and Majestic in Icmeler. The good thing about this one is it's smack bang on Marmaris beachfront. You can get a sun lounger if you want, have a £3 breakfast, you can relax inside the restaurant. And the breakfast has 2 eggs, 2 toast, 1 bacon, 2 sausage, a hash brown, which it says hash brown, for me it's more like eggy bread, mushrooms, beans and a butter. And that is what you get for £3. No issues at all with that. You know, you come to Marmaris, forget the stories, everything's gone up, the whole world's gone up in price, inflation's up right across the world. If you want bargains wherever you go, you just have to find them or subscribe to me on YouTube. You're professional or no professional? Professional. So we're just going to, see you later mates. We're just going to Rush Bar now. As I was saying, Rush was one of the first bars I ever went to in 2020. Rashid, the owner, absolutely fantastic bloke, a proper gentleman. Looked after me mum and dad when they came out, and he's also now got one of the cheapest breakfasts in Marmaris and Icmeler at £2.50. Then he's gone even further than that, and he's put the cheapest Effie's on for 70 lira. You can't get cheaper anywhere. Let me show you it now. Sore throat, Turkish vodka. Should have came here for Smirnoff.
Yeah.
He's married, isn't it? Hello, my little baby. What's wrong? You're not shaking my hand. And this is the £2.50 breakfast at Rush Bar in İçmeler. Ladies first, gentlemen. Michelle? Thank you very much, mate. 70 lira, a pint of Effie's. You can't find cheaper. Perfect, mate. So, thank you. So yeah, my voice is gone, so try not. Hopefully that doesn't affect the video. £2.50 for a very well presented full English breakfast at Rush Bar in İçmeler. Beans separate, half grilled tomato, 1 sausage, 2 eggs, 2 toast, full grilled tomato, 1 bacon, and a side of mushrooms. We've got some butter, and that is 3 of us fed for £7.50. Get in there! Well played, Rashid. So whilst others are increasing the price of the breakfast, I know Speedy's went up from $2.99 to $3.99. Rush Bar are knocking them down. Now that offer's only just started this week, a couple of days ago. So if you have been here earlier in the season, you might have paid £5, £6, but the offer right now, at the end of August, it's £2.50.